Yo, what's up mga kabiyahe? So this is my day 23 of my Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. At nandito ako sa Fernandez Residence. Maraming salamat, Councilor. Thank you po, thank you. At si Sir, thank you so much.
Yo, ingat,
sa pagampon. Madam, thank you. At kay Mother, at kay Master Ferns, maraming pong salamat, Master Kim, sa pagtulong. At kahit papano, nakatipid tayo ng isang gabi. So magra-ride out na ako dito sa Barangay Balodo, Bulado. Barangay Bulado, Gihulngan, Negros Oriental. So punta na tayong Bacolod mga kabiyahe. Bali time check 8:58. So ride out na tayo. Bali may inahon pala ako dito kagabi. Papakita ko sa inyo ngayong umaga kung gaano siya katarik. So ayun sir, dito na ako.
Sige, bye-bye, ingat.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Bye-bye. Ato ang barangay. Sige. So yun mga kabiyahe. Hello po. Morning. Okay, sunod ako sir. Ito yung inahon ko kagabi. 20% gradient. Awa, mas tarik. Sir, maraming salamat. Yan. Dagang salamat. Di rin ako ha. Thank you. So ayun. Biyahe na tayo mga kabiyahe papuntang Bacolod. Kung tayo galing oh, ay yung bahay na kulay puti sa taas. Doon tayo galing sa taas. Ayun oh, yung may bahay. Doon tayo galing. So, ayun, maraming salamat ulit sa Fernandez family at kay Master Kim. So, let's go to Bacolod, ang hometown ng aking papa. So, tara. Grabe oh, ganda ng bungad. Ang linaw ng dagat oh. Sayang lang, hindi tayo nakaligo ng dagat dito sa Negros. Pero okay lang. Yung Cebu, nag-hi pa rin sa akin. Nagpapapansin pa rin si Cebu sa akin. Darating din tayo dyan mga kabiyahe. Focus muna tayo sa Philippine Loop. Pag naikot natin yung Pilipinas, saka tayo mag i-inter-island loop. Siyempre pag-iipunan natin yan. At pwede nyo akong tulungan sa pamamagitan ng pag-like, pag-comment, at pag-share, at hindi pag-skip ng mga videos. I mean, hindi pag-skip ng ads sa aking mga videos. Sa ganyang paraan, matutulungan nyo ako makapag-ipon para makapagbiyahe tayo sa inter-island. Let's go! Ha. ahon today. Okay na, magdamag na tayo maahon eh. So ayun mga kabiyahe, time check 9:38. So from Gihulngan we're going to Valle Hermosa. That's 27 kilometers away. So nakaka 17 kilometers na tayo. Bali from Gihulngan going to Valle Hermosa ay medyo liblib at wala masyadong mga kabahayanan. So dito meron, pero dun sa mga unahan part ay wala. So madilim dito. Buti hindi ko tinuloy na pumadyak, kasi bala ko sana tatawid ako ng kabilang bayan para dun maghanap ng matutulugan. Ayun, maraming salamat talaga kay Master Kim. Thank you. So ayun mga kabiyahe, bali nandito na tayo sa Valle Hermoso pala, hindi Hermosa. Hermoso kasi lalaki siya. At andito na tayo sa crossing kung saan tayo dadaan papuntang isang lugar nga yun, letter C. Cantilay. Alam mo anong lugar nga ulit yun, pero bago ako umahon, magre-recharge na ako dito kasi 500 meters of climb yun eh. Alright, let's eat. We serve bad choy. Ride out na tayo mga kabiyahe, katapos ko lang kumain. Time check 10:45. At yung bundok na yan sa ating harapan, eh yan yung tatawirin natin mga kabiyahe. So 12 kilometers of climb na merong estimated 500 meters of elevation gain. Let's go. Lapit na. More or less 80 kilometers papuntang Bacolod mga kabiyahe. Kanlaon pala yung ating dadaanan. Ayun yung bundok oh. Yan yung tatawirin natin. Oh my goodness. May ulit mga kabiyahe. So ayun mga kabiyahe, simula na ng akyatan. 5% gradient, 4% gradient. Mainit. Ayun, patarik ng patarik oh. Grabe. Uy, patay na yung mga buko dun oh. Anyari? Dahil sa sobrang init. So 10:56. Let's go, gapang lang, gapang. Na, pahirap na ng pahirap. Dami siko. Ayan mga kabiyahe. Tapos ayun, tanaw yung kalsada dito. Ayun, lupa tayo. Ayun oh. Ito pa. Paikot. Zigzag oh. One to lang, sagad na gearing ko. Kita ba? Kalsada dito. Paikot. Parang bituka ng manok din. Banayad lang naman. 5 to 6%. Wanto lang. Ayun pa yung kalsada, oh. Kita ba mga kabiyahe? Wow. Ayun. Hindi ko maturo eh. Ay kalsada, oh. Tayo galing. 9%. Kaya palang tigas. Ayun truck. So ayun mga kabiyahe, dito tayo galing, oh. Paikot pa yan. Yung kanina yung ginaanan natin, yung maraming siko. Ayan, dito yan. Mahaba-haba rin, mga 2 kilometers ang ikutin mula dun sa baba bago makapunta rito sa taas. At mahaba pang ikutan to. So na-amaze lang ako kasi 'di ba? Parang kanina lang nandun tayo. Nasa baba pumapadyak, pero tignan nyo, andito tayo ngayon sa taas. Sarap ng hangin. So tuloy ang ahon. Time check 11:16. Grabe yung ambience, para akong nasa Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Taas na natin. Solid. Ayun po, mahaba pa. Another siko dun banda. So ayun mga kabiyahe, 5 km remaining hanggang ano, Tabugon ba yun? Ang ganda ng daan. Maganda rin yung ahon. Ay bangin, no, walang harang, oh, delikado. Diba? Alam mo, sa totoo lang mga kabiyahe, yung ahon hindi naman mahirap, madali. Kaya mo, out of the saddle, running 15 kph sa 4% gradient, hindi madali yung ahon. I mean, hindi mahirap yung ahon. Alam mo kung anong mahirap? Alam mo? Eto ang mahirap. 40.4 degrees Celsius na umaahon. Oh, di ba? Partida. Nasa mataas na lugar na tayo. 390 meters above sea level. Pero yung init matindi. Ilan pa? 3 kilometers of climb left. 2.3 kilometers of climb left. Tayo galing, oh. Ay, kalsada. Kita ba mga kabiyahe? Sabi banayad lang. Banayad nga lang, pero mainit eh. So yun mga kabiyahe, tapos na tayong umahon ng 12 kilometers. My God. So hopefully, no, puro lusong na to. Let's go. Tara, lusungin na natin.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeeze till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Kita-kits tayo mamaya mga kabiyahe. Maya ulit, lulusong lang ako. Hirap eh, kagat-kagat ko yung camera. Ganda ng view. Ayan, may-ari ko. Palabas na tayo ng barangay Tagbino. Ayan, mamaya na lang ulit. Akala ko puro lusong na. After 2 kilometers of descent, may ahon pa pala. Haba-haba rin. May magandang bundok dito mga kabiyahe. Ano kayang bundok to? Ay wala na, hindi nakita. Kanina tanaw na tanaw siya. Ang laki. Ang laki, parang Mayon volcano. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Ahon muna tayo. Ayan haba pa. Ang galing diyan tayo galing Oy! Ay tatakpan ng ulap. Ang laking bundok, parang Mayon volcano. Anong bundok yan mga kabiyahe? Ang lawak ng katawan niya. Wala na, takpan ulit. Ayun ang laki. Yan yata yung Mount Hermit hindi ko sure Ang laki, parang Mayon volcano. Kaso nga lang yung hugis niya hindi ko ka-perfect kagaya ng Mayon. So yun mga kabiyahe, sira yung tulay. Ngayon may detour, pwede kang umikot kaso malayo. Buti kaya balimbatin yung bike. Kaso nakakatakot ang taso. Oh, thank you. Kakalula ang taas. Alright. So yun mga kabiyahe, andito na tayo sa Canlaon town proper. Time check 1:39. Nag water break muna ako dun. So nasa taas pa rin tayo. Wala pa rin lusong. 577 meters above sea level. Haba-haba pa, ang layo pa natin. Akala ko mga 60 to 70 kilometers na lang hanggang Bacolod. Ang layo pa pala, 90 kilometers pa. Pambira. So tara, mabilis na lang to kasi puro lusong na tapos patag. Makakabawi-bawi tayo. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch kasi busog pa ako kanina. Let's go.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them by your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough deceit. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough deceit. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. Need a cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Kalsada paikot ang haba. Mamaya ulit. Glaway na naman ako, kakakagat sa cellphone. Lalabas na tayo ng Negros Oriental. Ayan mga kabiyahe, you are leaving Negros Oriental, 1st District in Geneva. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa Negros Occidental. Pero ahon pa rin ang taas natin, 500 meters above sea level. Valle Hermoso, Canlaon City, Lacson Road, ahon pa rin. So yung nilusong natin kanina, after nun umahon naman tayo ulit. Kaya ito ahon pa rin, karugtong, solid din. Pero for sure mahaba-habang lusong to, kaya okay lang. Ganda ng mundo. haba pa ng ahon. Sobrang naumay na ako sa ruta. Ahon Lusong. Nasa 535 meters above sea level pa rin tayo. Umay na ako, umay na. Umay!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in the space scene. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Haba oh. Wow. Medyo traffic lang mga kabiyahe. Ayan. Harap at likod yan mga kabiyahe. So yun, kain tayo ng lunch. Bango ah. So, ulam natin, bulad. Bulad. Ayan. Shoutout sa mother ni Master King. Pinabawalan tayo ng bulad. May bulad. Oh. Gusto kong magkamay. Kamay tayo. Binalot. my God. Tapos lalagay natin to dito. Nagutom na rin ako eh. So magla-lunch tayo. Mag-alasing ko na. Yan. Tapos yung may binili akong mangga na merong suka, toyo. So ito yung magiging sausawan natin. Ay, tumapon na. Oh, sayang. Sarap. Ito siya. Oh, grabe naman oh. Oh. Grabe ba? Grabe oh. Ayan, napakasarap. Yan yung view natin oh. So ayun, kakain lang ako mga kabiyahe. Kapon pa. So ayun mga kabiyayan, dito na tayo sa La Carlota City. At yan yung city hall nila. Let's go! La Carlota ang nakasulat. At merong baka na pambihira na nakadikit sa pader. At sa likod niyan ay tren. Yan, amazing. Tapos meron dito ang La Carlota marker ating pupuntahan. At ako naglalakad. Bakit ako naglalakad? Pwede ko naman sakyan this black horse. Ito natin yung marker. Ito lang 20 meters away lang. Bingo! Yuhong, napakaganda. I love La Carlota. Ayun mga kabiyahe. Paano kaya ito mapipicturean ng buo?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.